In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure email notifications in a Jira Cloud project. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the specific project you want to work with. Once you're in your project, look for the three dots located next to the project's name. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu where you'll need to select Project Settings. This is where all the configuration options are housed, and we can dig into the details of setting up notifications. Inside the project settings, you'll find a section labeled Notifications. Click on that and it will reveal another option called Settings. We're making our way to the heart of the notification setup. Next, head over to the notifications section where you'll see an option to add notification. This allows us to create a new notification rule tailored to our specific needs, which can be especially useful in keeping team members informed without overwhelming their inboxes. When adding a new notification, you'll want to start by selecting an event from the drop-down menu. This could be something like an issue being updated or resolved. Choosing the right event is crucial as it will determine when your notification gets sent out. After you've selected your event, you'll need to specify who receives these notifications. You'll see a list of options such as all watchers, the current assignee, or any other project roles you've defined. Check the appropriate boxes for the recipients you want. This flexibility ensures that notifications reach only the relevant team members, which helps to maintain focus and efficiency. Once you've double checked everything, go ahead and click on Add to save your new notification rule. You'll see your newly added notification in the list below, and all future corresponding actions will trigger those notifications. Jira also allows for easy editing of existing notifications in case your needs change over time. Simply locate the event you wish to edit in the list. Once you find it, click on the three dots to the right hand side of the event. This action will bring up the option to edit. Clicking edit will allow you to modify the notification rule just like when you created a new one. Within the edit mode, you can update who receives the notification by checking or unchecking boxes for all watchers, the current assignee, or other roles. Be sure to thoroughly review your selections. Once you're satisfied, click save to ensure all changes are applied moving forward. By setting up and tailoring these notifications, you can greatly improve team communication and make sure that everyone stays in the loop on important project developments without any unnecessary overflow in their inboxes. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find these steps helpful in your Jira management tasks.